Hello, my name is Henry. I learned meditation in the Himalayas. I've spent the last 8 years helping people to establish a daily meditation practice. Today's session is on a 5-minute meditation for calm. If you're feeling stressed, overwhelmed, or like your mind just won't slow down, this meditation is for you. Life can feel chaotic, with thoughts pulling you in every direction. But in just 5 minutes, we're going to create a pocket of peace, a space where you can let go of the noise and reconnect with calm. If at all possible, find yourself in a comfortable seated posture, spine erect, head up, chin parallel to the ground, eyes closed, mouth closed, breathing through the nose. And we'll start here with our awareness at the tips of the nostrils. Life can be very stressful at times. It can feel overwhelming, as if you don't know what to do, or no matter what you do, doesn't seem to work out. This is okay. This is normal. There are times in life and there are situations in our life where this is the case. My experience with this tells me to analyze one of two things. One, do I have control over this situation or this thing? Two, do I not have control over this situation or this thing? Let's keep our awareness here at the tips of the nostrils. Let's take nice, slow, deep breaths, filling up the lower lobes of the lungs, allowing the abdomen and navel region to expand and contract as we inhale and we exhale. If I have control over this thing, then it's important that I take control of it in the manner that I have it. It will take some discipline, it will take some patience, but reestablishing this control is the only way I can manage the situation well. If I do not have control over this situation, then I have to accept it with as much self-compassion and ease as I have the capacity. Let's keep our awareness here at the tips of the nostrils, filling up the lungs. Slow, controlled breath, relaxed breath. Whatever this situation is, it will be okay. I can accept this. Life is always changing. It can seem chaotic. But this will pass, just like the many thoughts that may be passing through your mind right now. This is okay. This is normal. Let's keep the awareness at the tips of the nostrils, and let's follow the flow of air as it goes up the nostrils and then down the esophagus, filling up the lungs, expanding the lungs, and contracting the lungs, forcing the air back up the esophagus and down through the nostrils, keeping our awareness here at the tips of the nostrils. Whenever I'm feeling stressed or overwhelmed, I notice my breaths get very short. This practice will open up the breath, elongate the breath, and allow you to, at the very least, breathe through this situation that is stressful, that is disturbing. Let's bring our awareness back to the tips of the nostrils. Namaste.